Effective infrastructure management starts with the correct, well-organized, accessible, and up-to-date information. The inspectX Office module centralizes your entire asset inventory, including details such as historical data, elements, and condition rating all in one place. These are easily accessible through dashboards, lists, maps, and charts. Schedule management gives teams a clear overview of upcoming and overdue inspections, helping agencies plan their workflows efficiently. Track inspections live. Check progress in real time. Monitor map locations and stay on top of each inspection status. From recommendations to completion, maintenance management provides a clear, trackable record of maintenance activities so nothing gets lost over time. Powerful filters, batch updates, audit logs, history tracking, and PDF reporting assist agencies with transparency, consistency, and confidence in their asset data. The inspectX Office module bringing asset inventory, inspection scheduling, and maintenance data together, creating a seamless workflow from your office to the field and back.